Mr. Rema is definitely the king of the new school when it comes to musicians, Afrobeat musicians in Nigeria and Africa. He is running his thing. He's doing so good and so well. And a lot of us couldn't have imagined that so soon this brother would be achieving what he's achieving right now. His collaboration with Selena Gomez, Calm Down, the remix, is still number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100. It has been on that chart for 45 weeks, almost a full year. Now that has to be some kind of record. This brother is doing it. Shout out to him. He's just been absolutely amazing, and we can only appreciate and applaud his doings. Now Rema is currently on his North American Rave and Roses tour, and on the 21st of July 2023 he performed alongside Victoni in Boston, and we had to just cut out a special performance of Calm Down. It was beautiful, lovely, and just enjoy it.